Hi guys, so I am back with a few books that I just listed in my shop. Hold on, let me just make sure I am, oopsie, in focus. So I just have some vintage books here. Let me just go really quickly through them. The first one here is this Bird Watchers Digest, and I'll just give you a quick flip through. The pages are nice and aged. This is good for like a bird theme, junk journal, nature, really nice. And this is copyright, look at how yellow, 1979. So this one is in my shop. See the images? You don't even have to coffee dye because it's vintage. And there's no writing or anything on this, so that one's in my shop. Then I have this Reader's Digest, really nice condition, as you can see. And this one is this will make a really nice fall one because of the colors. I'll show you. There you go. This one is dated 1975 is the volume 2, and I like the images in here too, and it's really good condition. It has some images here, and you can see. Let me see some of the images.
Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here today for the grand reopening of my Etsy store. I am so excited.
Okay.
Life is getting back
Gail.
to normal. I just got back from a walk. Video. I'm just all full of energy, so
I'll keep watching her later. Okay, sorry about that. So we have that one. Alrighty, and then we have this other one. I like the colors on this one. It is so pretty. Let's see if I could give you a glance on that one. I love, and it's like it almost feels, you could feel the ridges on this one. It almost feels like a pleather. So this one is 1956. The only thing that this one has is right there. I don't know if I could, right there, right here. You can see right there that that first page wants to come undone. But other than that, in really good condition as well. I like the images on these older books. So we have that one. Show you that one really fast. So that is in the shop. Then this is the Watch and Clock Encyclopedia. Over 3,000 entries, over 1,300 illustrations, and it's got the dust jacket, and this is in really good condition, and I think this is a perfect size for a journal too. Only thing it has is like, it has like a little stain right there. It's like this really nice burgundy color, and it's got yellowing right here and the inscription in the first page, but I like it because it's got the automatic yellowing on the pages. But this one is really nice. It's all about clocks. So like for steampunk journals and stuff like that, will be really nice. No writing, the pages are really nice and intact. So it's all about the clocks. how pretty those clocks are. So I have that one, and this one is copyright, and it's from the Carls is Donald the Carls, and it is copyright 1977. So we'll put that back there. Then I have this Webster's Secondary School Dictionary. This is dated 1913. And I'm telling you, you can see it's worn right there. But I don't know what this material is. I don't know if it's fabric. But you can actually, I bet you can actually make a spine out of this. A journal out of this book. That's the cover. Oops, I'm trying to. I think you can see the pictures better on my Etsy shop. But the only thing is it's already coming undone from the book block. So if you wanted to use this cover, you can probably, you know, reinforce the spine inside, and this book block is going to come out so easy. The pages are immaculate though. The pages are in really good condition, and you know what's funny? It feels like butter. These pages feel like butter, and I like that it has the index, you know, the finger index, but they feel so smooth. It's crazy. And this has 1,000 illustrations, and there's no writing or nothing. The pages are in such good condition, and I'll show you some of the illustrations that it has. And it's already see the illustrations that it has already. I mean, this book is over a century old. And that's something. Show you some illustrations. So it has over 1,000 illustrations. So that is in the shop. Perfect for junk journaling, you know, if you're not going to even reuse it, for junk journals to add. Then I have an Audubon book, and this is the hardcover. Excellent condition. The only thing it has is a little dent here. Let me see if I can show you. A little dent right there. But the images on this thing are amazing. Let me make sure I'm in frame for this one. And this is 1974, I believe. It was published on 1974. Again, beautiful images. This, I think, is like 13 by 9, the book measures. Well, look at these images for folding and putting in junk journals. So you have like the photos itself, and then you have I think it has 64 replicas of his paintings. So you have photos, and then you have the paintings, and then you have photos and then paintings. But this is so beautiful, and I will show you just the look at that. Isn't that just amazing? Just give you a little glimpse here. Just, and that's so cute. I'm not doing a very good job showing you, but and I like it because on this side you have like the smaller that you can actually cut apart and use for tags. you know. Just to give you a quick, and they're not very glossy, like they have like a sheen to them, but they're not like glossy, which is what look at the owls, how cute is that. And then you still have a whole bunch back here. So this is the Audubon book, Cardinals. So you get it in the photo picture, and then you have, like I said, like the smaller plates, which are perfect for cutting up and junk journaling. So that's in my shop. And the dust jacket is, you know, it's raggedy, but the book itself is not. And then I have a, last but not least, I have this Mother Goose. And this one is a giant golden book. And it is the Golden Mother Goose. And I have to show you because here it's like missing part of the glossiness here and down here, and the corner, you know, the corner here is frayed, and you're missing the outer spine. But other than that, it's gorgeous. And the inside, the only thing it has is the inscription here. It says happy birthday 1949. Other than that, this book is beautiful. It's amazing. And it is copyright 1948. And I'll give you a quick, let me see if I could point it out. Look at how it has all of the stories. It's beautiful. No scribbles. No, nothing. Isn't this just pretty? Perfect. You can fold it, use it as a junk journal page. I just think it is so beautiful. So that is that one I'm just showing you. And I have all the details of how many pages and everything it has. It has Rockabye Baby, Cobbler Gobbler Mend My Shoe, or what is it? Yeah. It has all of the, you know, rhymes, and so yeah, this is just adorable. Georgie Porgy. So, yeah. So those are the books that I have listed in the shop right now. If you're interested, the link will be in the description box below. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you see something that interests you. And I'm gonna be listing a couple more items in the shop, you know, throughout the week. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.